In today's video, I'll show you how to insert an image in LibreOffice Writer so you can add visuals to your document quickly and accurately. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer and loading your document. Place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. The image will be inserted at that position, so setting the cursor first ensures proper placement. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. Then choose Image. This opens a file browser window. Browse to the folder where your image is saved. Select the image file, such as a PNG or JPEG, and click Open. The image will immediately appear in your document at the cursor location. Once inserted, you'll see small handles around the image. These indicate that the image is selected and can be resized or moved. You can drag the image to reposition it if needed. If you insert images frequently, you can also use the Insert Image icon on the toolbar. It looks like a small picture and opens the same file browser window. After placing the image, save your document to keep your changes. That's how you insert an image in LibreOffice Writer and place it exactly where you need it in your document.